Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable voice input on my Samsung Galaxy S24. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Alright, I'm going to head over to my Messenger app on my phone. I'm going to click into a random message here. It's from Michael. So I'm inside the message. Now I'm going to click on the text box here. And then from here, it's going to bring up your keyboard and some more settings. I'm going to click onto the gear icon. And now you're inside the Samsung keyboard settings area. So I'm going to scroll down and look for voice input. There it is there. I'm going to click into it. And now where it says voice input, yours will probably be saying none. So you want to either click on the Samsung voice input or the Google voice typing. I'm going to personally use the Google voice typing as I find it works a little bit better than the Samsung one. So once I've done that, I'm going to head back and now go back to my messages. Alright, I'm inside my messages. I'm going to click on the text box. And now to use the voice input, where my keyboard is here, there's a little microphone on the bottom left hand corner. So I'm going to click into that and then write a message. Alright, I'm going to test out to see if this works or not. And as you can see, I need to hold the microphone. I'm just going to test if this works or not. As you can see, this currently works, and to send it, press the blue button on the right side of this text to send it. And to pause it, click on the microphone again, and if you continue to speak, it won't keep writing. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.